In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize text color. We'll walk through a simple 4-step process you can use whenever you want to change the color of your text, whether that's to highlight important information, organize your notes, or just make your page look a little more polished and visually appealing. Let's start with the very first action, highlighting the text. Go to the text you want to change and select it by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Make sure you include every word, letter, or symbol that you want to recolor. If you miss a character or two, only part of the text will change color, so it's worth taking a second to double check your selection. If you highlight too much by mistake, just click once to remove the highlight and try again until you're happy with the exact portion of text you've selected. Once your text is highlighted, look for the 3 dots that usually indicate more options or additional formatting settings. These dots are often found in a small toolbar that appears near your selected text or at the top of the editor. Move your mouse over to those 3 dots and click on them. This expands the menu and reveals more formatting tools that aren't visible by default, giving you access to things like color settings, advanced styling, and other customization options. After you've opened that expanded menu, the next thing you're looking for is the option labeled Colors. This is where you control how the text looks, including both text color and sometimes background color. Click on Colors to open the color choices. This will usually display a palette of preset colors, and in some editors, additional options such as custom colors or theme-based shades. Now it's time to actually select the color you want. Look through the color options and choose the one that best fits what you're trying to achieve. For emphasis, you might go with a bold color like red or blue. For a softer, more subtle look, you might prefer a muted or pastel shade. Simply click on your chosen color and you should see your highlighted text update immediately. Take a moment to review how it looks in the context of your page. If the color feels too bright, too faint, or hard to read against the background, just repeat the same steps. Highlight the text again, click the 3 dots, open the colors menu, and pick a different option until you're satisfied. And that's it. By highlighting your text, opening the extra options, clicking on colors, and selecting the shade you like, you can quickly customize text color and make your content clearer, more organized, and more